Hello friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy, I am showing my linen closet a little love. I do not know if you can see behind me or not, but look, do you see that? That is a beautiful pink tree, and do you know what that means? That means that spring is springing here. I am so excited. I love these longer days, these warmer temperatures. Spring just makes me feel so happy. When I think of spring, I think of new beginnings. I think of fresh starts. I think of growth. I think of all of those things. And if you want to share what you think of when you think of spring down in the comments, I would love to hear what you think about spring as well. So, as always, Tiny Tidy Tuesday is brought to you by my dear friend Sunday Dawn of The Helpful Home. I will link her channel along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below. Make sure to check it out for lots of tiny tidying, homemaking motivation. My linen closet, it's for guests. Sorry, Lily's in here playing. My linen closet is my guest linen closet. It is where I keep a few extra blankets, a few extra towels, nothing major, but I did need to get in there and give it a good wipe down and a good clean. And so I wanted to do that for my Tiny Tidy today. And when I do my linen closet, I always just take everything out, wipe everything down, and put everything back. But if you feel overwhelmed, you can always just do one shelf, take everything out of one shelf, and just straighten up one shelf, and then another day you could do another shelf, whatever is comfortable for you. But I choose to take everything out. I do not have a ton of stuff in there, so it's not a big task for me to do. So anyway, let's get in there and let's get started. And if you have time today, go out and enjoy some of the spring. This is the linen closet that I'm going to tidy today. I need to move these blankets because there's a light at the top, but it will not come on because of the blankets. This looks okay, but I just want to remove it and wipe the wire shelf down. Same with this. It's not terrible. Just need to straighten it up, wipe the shelf. This needs a little help. And then down at the bottom, it needs a little help on that shelf as well. And I think I actually might move the blankets to that shelf, so that will free up the top. And then I just need to take this out down at the bottom and clean the floor. To use this for a while. It's like an e-cloth, and you put it on your hand like a mitt. I ordered it from Grow Collaborative, and so I can clean my little wire shelves that way. In circles, but I'm still on the ground. It's a dizzying day. Get away. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me, or just sit beside me and never leave? I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you could interrupt. It's a day like this. It's a day I really would have missed. It's getting real dark in here. So I need to decide on a way that I can fold these blankets that I can store 4 on that bottom shelf. I have 5 blankets in this pile. However, we do have this one room that we watch TV in, and there is only one blanket in that room, and I actually have a piece of furniture in there that I can fold and put blankets in, so I keep the one blanket in a piece of furniture so it's out of sight. So I'm going to pick one of these and I'm going to put it in that other room so that I can have it when I'm watching TV or whatever I might need it for in that room. So that will decrease my number of blankets back down to 4. So it is summer, so I think I'm going to pick this blanket, this nice little summer print to put into the room where we watch TV. So I'm just going to fold it kind of in a regular kind of way. So I'm just going to fold it like this. Like this. And like this. And I'll go put it in that piece of furniture. Now I just need to decide how to fold the ones that I'm going to store in the linen closet.
1,000 years, could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave?
Liking how the blankets fit right here, and then I can just put that extra sheet set up on the very top, and I don't have to worry about the light not turning on. And yeah, I have plenty of space, and 4 blankets is plenty. I am kind of a blanket hoarder secretly, maybe not so secretly since I open up my home to everyone. But I love soft blankets, and these blankets, like this one and this one and this one, you can go to, if you have a Vera Bradley outlet, you can get these for $19.99, and they are so soft, like the softest blanket ever. And I have quite the collection, and I've had to kind of go through it over the years. But they always have so many different little fun prints while I'm in there. It kind of screams out to me, and I end up buying 1 or 2. So yeah, I do have a blanket issue. And then this blanket is very special to me because I got this blanket when I left my university that I went to, and it shows all the landmarks in my university as they were before, and like now, you know, all these years later, like things are completely different. But like I have the dorms are on here that I lived in, and all of the places that I went to class, and like all the places they had to eat and everything they have on this blanket. So that's the little story behind that blanket. And sorry, Lily's playing in the background.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times.
I just want to take a second and show you guys what I am either decluttering or relocating somewhere else. First, I have this blanket that I am putting in the room that we watch TV in. I am so sorry that Lily keeps playing ball. Oh, she wants me to throw it. Hold on. So that's what the sound is. Anyway, sorry, she's gonna catch it. So I'm gonna put this in the room that we watch TV in. I have these 2 hand towels, and I actually have a place for these in the cabinet. So I'm going to relocate these because it is a place that is right beside where we hang the hand towels. So that would be very convenient. I have this little hand towel that says Joy. It's for Christmas. Do I want to store it with my Christmas stuff, or do I want to declutter it? I want to declutter it. Like, it's pretty, but it's really tiny. So it's just not really practical. So I'm going to do the right thing and declutter this. I have a pillowcase, a large one, that I'm going to declutter. And I have this pillowcase that has sheets in it, a sheet set for in here for the guest room. I like to keep an extra sheet set. This one, I just got a new set of sheets for the bedroom, so I am storing my old bedroom sheets in there now, so I can go ahead and declutter these. And these, they lived in an enclosed area for renovation, but like, I can tell that they've been through a renovation anyway. So I am going to, I'm either going to throw these away, or I'm going to see if my husband, sometimes he likes to keep these for like putting down if he's doing a project or something like that. So I'm going to check with him and see if he needs to hold on to these. So that is it. So now I'm just going to show you what it looks like. This is the finished product. Up here on the top shelf, I just have a set of sheets by itself. The light turns on now. Then I have some washcloths in a basket. I have 4 white towels for guests. I just have 3 of these smaller towels in this basket. I have 4 altogether, but 1 is on the couch. Then I have these 3 gray towels that I use like if I have to give the dog a bath, if they're wet when they come in. If we need to clean up a spill, I use those. And I have 3 washcloths that match it, just in case, same kind of reasons. And then I have my blankets here and my toilet paper at the bottom. So everything is all nice and tidy. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this video motivated or inspired you in some way. Let me know down in the comments if you tidied anything along with me. Do not forget to check out the helpful home listed in my description box along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.
After 9, I still wish you